All right, talking of working those markets, let's have a little look here. Yeah, Japanese yen, right? Japanese yen is the bottom of the STAM and has been weak for a long time. All right, we've just looked at dollar yen. Okay, bang. During this month, it has been bang. It has been, even though the dollar has been weak and it still has been in the bottom of the pile, it has strengthened against the yen, and that's telling you how much the yen has weakened. Even sterling, okay, which is weakening and falling down the STAM, has for the most part strengthened against it. Okay, Kiwi dollar and yen, they were in a little bit of a battle, all right, about who's the weakest. But even that is showing kind of Kiwi against the sort of yen. But this is what stage two is all about. All right, this is what stage two is all about: buying strength versus weakness. All right, it's what we want to talk about. And if you just look at that, that is Swiss franc has been top of the STAM, yen has been in the bottom of the STAM, and that has been that is stage two. All right, in our chart. Stage two in a chart, okay, strength, buying strength, selling weakness, okay, looking to get into a trend, surf it, and try and either ride it, but also add to it, attack it, okay, attack it. Doesn't happen here, right? It doesn't happen as much as we'd like, okay. As I say when I say on stage two course, okay, there will probably be 3 to 6 super trends during a year in the FX markets. The reality is you don't know when they're going to show up or where they're going to show up. Okay. A lot of people will try and tell you that they do, but they're mostly talking nonsense. All right. It's more about knowing what a good trend, knowing what a good Stan One Bravo trend looks like. That is just chugging away quite nicely. And it is strength versus weakness. Okay. And you go down to the 4 hour chart. I mean, look at that on the 4 hour chart. That is just, it's a thing of beauty. All right, it is a thing of beauty. Attacking it, okay, attacking it, looking at how the 20 is actually holding it and stuff. That is, as I said, it's a thing of beauty. All right, it's a thing of beauty, and that is stage two in a chart. All right, strength v weakness. And no surprise, euro yen, which has been, in second and flirting first, that has been doing the same as well. Right, okay, it's just working its way up there, working its way, just bang, 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 bang. All right, just happily there. All right, it's as I said, that is stage two in a chart. All right, strength v weakness. That's what we want to be seeing there. Even Canadian yen has started to take off finally. Okay, this month now. Part of that is CAD yen is also a proxy for oil. All right, oil had a bit of a bounce because of the attacks on Iran. So of course that fueled Canadian dollar and it adds weakness to the Japanese yen, and that's what you've seen there. Okay, through July, even look at that, just basically in from the start of the month. It is just that Vulcan there. Okay, all right, we've swept the lows, then swept the VBs. Okay, come back, retested it, and as you can see, that's it's off and gone, and that's the kind of these are the messages. These are what I want you to take away. This is what we're looking for on stage two: strength v weakness. Keep it simple. All right, when it's very clear, don't fight it. Find a way to ride it. Find a way not only to ride it, but find a way to attack it. Okay, to attack it and really go at it as a swing trader. But there you go, some absolutely lovely charts there, and yeah, that's what we're looking for.